HubKoin Exchange Tutorials: How to Buy or Sell Cryptocurrency. To buy or sell cryptocurrency, you will need to log into your HubKoin account. Navigate to the HubKoin login page and enter your credentials and click Login. When you log in, you will be redirected to your dashboard. Select Streaming on the top banner. The streaming page is where you will buy or sell your assets. The streaming page contains multiple modules that show you which assets can be traded. This includes both fiat currencies and cryptocurrencies. For example, if you want to buy or sell Bitcoin for United States dollars, BTC USD would be the module you would want to use. To trade USDT to USDC, you would use the module that reads USDT USDC. And to trade USDT for USD, you would use the module that reads USDT USD. In this tutorial, we will purchase one USDT token using Canadian dollars. However, these same steps can be used with any of the modules on the streaming page. Locate the module that says USDT CAD. Enter the number of coins you wish to purchase into the field between the Sell and Buy buttons. When you are satisfied, select Buy. A pop-up will appear with information regarding your order. Look at the information and confirm that this is the trade you wish to make. When everything is to your satisfaction, select Confirm Buy Order. A blue bar will flash at the bottom of your screen, informing you that the order was successfully added. Now we will do the reverse. We will sell one USDT token for Canadian dollars. To sell USDT for CAD, enter the number of coins you wish to sell into the field between the Sell and Buy buttons. When you're satisfied, select Sell. A pop-up will appear with the information regarding your order. Look at this information and confirm that this is the trade you wish to make. When everything is to your satisfaction, select Confirm Sell Order. A blue bar will flash at the bottom of your screen, informing you that the order was successfully added. You can see a record of your transactions on your dashboard. Scroll down to the bottom of the page to view the Recent Activity section. We hope this tutorial has been helpful in using the streaming page as well as buying and selling cryptocurrency.